Hello everyone, my name is Margaret and I'm product manager at Woodpecker.co. Today I'd like to introduce you to our brand new feature. It's called Folders. And basically we decided to create Folders feature because of your feedback. Numerous customers told us that you are missing something what helps you to organize campaigns, to do A/B testing, and this is how we came up with Folders. And just let me share your screen with you. I will show you how Folder works. So we start with the campaigns view because that's the default basic view you see when you enter Woodpecker. You can switch just right here. So if you would like to enter folders, just use the tab. Then probably if that's your very first time you're entering the tab folders, you will see nothing in here. Right now, this is our Woodpecker account responsible for webinars. So we have already some campaigns in folders right here. But if that's your first time, just use add folders and you can type any name in here. Basically, if you save, you have already folder created. Just on the right side, you can rename or delete. That's up for your convenience. Important side notice, if you remove, so click this option in here, it does not mean that you delete your campaigns. So you can use this feature safely. Your campaign will just go to the unassigned. So I will show you later on how to filter it. Okay, so also in this view, you can basically filter by created by. So if you would like to see campaigns or folders created by your coworkers, as for example, in here you can see mine and my colleague Sylvia, just use the filter. If you want to remove, just remove the tag and that's perfectly fine. Also, you can filter by folder name. You can type in here or you can just choose from the list. Depending on how many folders you have, probably that's for the best option for you. Okay, now you can also organize your folders from the campaigns. So if you just switch, right now you can see in here in what folder your campaign is. So if you use the drop-down, you can basically reassign your campaign. You can also remove it from a folder, or you can type in here any name and from the name create a folder or reassign it to any other. Also on the campaign view, you can search by folder just for your convenience if you have numerous of those. Okay, so I believe that's all from folder feature, and I would love to ask you if you have any feedback or you feel that there's something still to improve regarding the feature, just let us know via success@woodpecker.co because that's very important for us to know what is valuable for you. Thank you very much.